Okay, it's a chilly day. It was the last couple of days. It was kind of nice, but today it's kind of cold. But there's a lot of things I need to get done here this summer. That needs to be done. Hasn't been done for a while. For one thing, we've got to cut this grass. It's terrible. It's getting tall. And this over here is where I keep my riding mower. Keep it wrapped up, keep the rain from getting to it. I've had this rider since, oh my goodness, since probably 1996. It's been a good one. It's a Statesman, but it really does the job. There's a lot of brush here too that needs to be cut down. My property goes over to there's a road there. You probably can't see it right now, but my property goes all the way down to the bottom there. You see that the power pole down there? It goes a little bit beyond that. But you can see here that there's a lot of brush that needs to be cleared out. And over here, right here used to be a huge pine tree, and it had little pine cones that would come on it every year. But we had to cut it down because it was just getting too big. It was just hitting over the side of the house here. You can see this needs to be cleared out. So got a lot of work ahead of me. I had the guys coming up here last week to clean out my septic tank. And right there where you see the pile of dirt, that's where the septic tank is located underneath. So they cleaned it out. And this pine tree right here, when I planted it, it was only maybe that tall. But now it's all the way up. And this is out here in the front, here at the front of the house. And all that brush that you see down there, right down in there, used to be a nice big old swimming pool. Well, since there's no kids around in the house anymore, I had to get rid of the pool because it's just too much upkeep, keeping the chemicals in it and everything, and we didn't use it, so we just took it out. I sold it to somebody else, and they come and took it down and took it away. So since then, there's all this brush that's been growing inside there that needs to be cleared out. I'd like to get it filled up. Normally, I'd get the state road. Every year they clean out the ditches along the main highway down below, and they need a place to dump their stuff. So that's what I plan to do, is give them another call and have them to dump their dirt and all that stuff in this big hole, and maybe sometime sooner or later I'll have that all removed and smoothed out. Anyway, that's about it for right now. It's too cold out here. I'm cold. The wind's blowing, and that doesn't help. So, and there's my hook up to the water hose. Lo and behold, yeah, it's nice over here. Way back over on the other hill, back over through there, you can see through the trees. There's a farm over there, and down over that, as far as you can see there, it goes down deep. It's like a deep gorge down there. Actually, where the house is right now, we're probably at one of the highest spots here in the county. If those trees weren't there, right there, you could probably see all the way down into 15 miles away. And there's a waterfalls down below, beyond that point to where you can see. And there's a waterfalls down there. You can hear when it rains a lot. You can hear the waterfalls. Okay, that's it for now. I'm going back inside where it's nice and warm. Talk to you later.